everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can delete your Facebook page. Okay, so log into where you have your Facebook, go to where you have the 9 dots by the left hand side, click on it. Now this menu comes up, scroll all the way down to the social section and you will find pages. Click on that. Now once it opens, you will see the different types of pages that you have. Okay, now click on the particular page that you want to delete. All right, so I want to delete this one, so I'll click on that. Okay, you can see 0 likes and followers. I just created it to illustrate this particular deletion. So once I'm here, scroll to this section, manage pages. Okay, you will see here switch into JBabe Corners page to take more actions. So I'll click on switch. Okay, so here is the switch into this page, JBabe Corners. So I'll click switch. Right, so now I'm fully into JBabe's Corner. Okay, so I want to delete this this page. All right. Okay, over here, just right under the edit, okay, click on the 3 dots. Right, now scroll all the way down where you see page and tagging settings. Click on it. Okay, now we're at this page where you have page and tagging settings. All right, now look by the left hand side, you will see Facebook page information. Click on that button. Once it opens, on the right side, scroll all the way down, you will find deactivation and deletion. Click on the view. And the first one is to deactivate the page. Okay, now this is a temporal thing. If I want to, I could just choose that. That's by default and click on the continue. Now the second option there is a permanent thing. Now take note, if you go for the second option, which is permanent, you cannot recover your page. So you need to be sure on what you want to do exactly. I want to permanently delete this page. So choose this particular one. Now go to continue. It's just basically explaining that when you permanently delete your page, you won't be able to recover it. And this section, you can download all the information on your page. Okay, so here it's saying you have 5 photos, 5 posts, and more uploaded to Facebook. So this is for this particular page, and you can transfer. You can go ahead, download the information that you have on that page to save it, and you can transfer the information. So I don't want to do any of that. I'll continue. Now it brings out this, I need to key in password to continue. I didn't create a password for this particular page when I was creating it, so I'm going to leave this and click on continue to see if this works. Oh, it needs password. Okay, so basically I think it needs my personal Facebook password to be able to delete this page. So I just keep that in and let's continue. You're about to permanently delete your page. Okay, if you're ready to delete it, click delete page. Once you have submitted your page for deletion, you will have 30 days to reactivate your page and cancel the deletion. You basically have 30 days to reactivate it, 30 days grace. So after 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. So I'm continuing. As you can see, it brought me back to my personal Facebook account. I'm happy to have that deleted. I hope you guys find this helpful on how to delete your Facebook page account. Okay, so remember to click the like button as well as sharing. That's where people would get to see the video. I'll see you in my next video and thanks for watching.